Depending on who you ask, Elon Musk is a common name when trendy conspiracy arguments are being made. In the latest round of Everything You Can Eat Elon Musk, several reports are circulating about Elon Musk firing employees daily. How would you have handled getting fired by Elon Musk? Let us know in the comment section below. Join us today as we dive into all his most controversial fights with his employees. It is common knowledge that thousands of employees are under each of Elon Musk's global companies. So in terms of manpower, Elon Musk may fire employees every day. However, before we go even further, we must look at Elon Musk and his mindset regarding his employees. In many of his interviews, Elon Musk is always eager to talk about his companies and operations. And not surprisingly, in most of these interviews, Elon Musk has been repeatedly asked how he interacts with his employees, especially details about the recruitment processes of his many companies. In response to the question, Elon Musk said he dedicates his time to interviewing every person his company hires. But of course, that is quite hard to believe, especially considering the size of Tesla and SpaceX without even considering Twitter, which Musk only recently acquired. In the interview, Musk said he always asks every candidate, "Tell me the story of your life and the decision you made along the way and why you made them." Musk also added that this follow-up question was to ask candidates what was the most challenging problem they ever had to solve. According to Musk, these two questions often give him insights into the integrity and work ethic of the candidate being interviewed. In his words, people who solve a problem, they know exactly how they solved it. They know the little details. And the people that pretended they solve a problem may go one level to explain their solutions, and then they get stuck. Musk explained that while interviewing potential employees, he doesn't only look into their analytical abilities. Depending on the roles they're applying for, Musk says he just looks for a positive attitude and whether or not they're easy to work with. In his opinion, it is crucial to like people in your workplace. Otherwise, your productivity will become weak and miserable. That said, Elon Musk has a very notorious reputation for being a strict and dare say cutthroat boss. Many current and ex-employees of Tesla or SpaceX have done interviews detailing their experience with Elon Musk. One thing that stands out from these interviews is that Musk is always willing to fire an employee he doesn't deem crucial to the intense productivity he demands in his company. A good example was back in June 2018 when it appeared SpaceX's Starlink was struggling to meet its goal of having fully functional satellite internet operations by 2020. To fix this problem, Musk decided to fire 7 senior managers of the project. Shortly after doing this, Jeff Bezos' company hired them to get some competitive leverage. Fast forward to 2023, and Starlink boasts over 1,600 satellites in orbit, all of which contribute to providing Starlink's internet services to every interested customer across the globe. And not just that, despite hiring those ex-Starlink senior managers, Jeff Bezos' company has yet to successfully launch a satellite in orbit. An even more recent case study of why Elon Musk fires employees every day is the drama surrounding Musk's Twitter acquisition. After completing a whopping $44 billion deal to acquire Twitter, Musk immediately authorized the release of an unsigned memo telling all Twitter employees of the company's plan to streamline its workforce. Speaking on the issue via his Twitter account, Musk claimed the reason for sacking nearly 50% of Twitter employees was because the company was incurring a massive $4 million debt daily. Except when they laid off workers cleared out their desks, report claimed Musk replaced these work desks with ping pong tables to make office time fun for the remaining employees. This begs the question, were the dismissals necessary or was it just Musk being Musk? If you think Musk does this to his employees because he simply cares more for his business, that it's not even remotely true. For context, around June 2022, reports surfaced about the real reason Musk fired Mary Beth, his long-term assistant who had worked with him for about 12 years. And according to the reports, he sacked the assistant because she asked him for a raise. What's more incredible about the whole drama was that people close to the Tesla CEO said the assistant was genuinely committed to working with Musk. The sources claimed she put in long hours, including during weekends, depending on where Musk needed to be at any moment in time. This, of course, is not surprising considering one of her job objectives is to manage Elon Musk's schedule between his SpaceX and Tesla management duties. However, instead of giving her the raise, Musk reportedly told the assistant, "Look, I think you're very valuable. Maybe that compensation is right. You need to take 2 weeks vacation and I'm going to assess whether that's true or not." In truth, Elon Musk did not give his assistant a break because he wanted to think. He gave her a break to access just how indispensable she was to SpaceX and Tesla. and 2 weeks later, Musk discovered he could efficiently perform his roles without her assistance. So Musk fired her but decided to offer her another position in the company, although with the same salary. The assistant was not happy with this and decided to walk. This is one of the most significant pointers to why Musk randomly sacks employees he deems unnecessary in his company. In Musk's view, if he could carry out his duties without needing an assistant who was considered an essential part of his company, then there were other employees whose job descriptions were not crucial to his company's overall productivity. So in 2018, Musk went on a firing rampage, dismissing every employee he saw as dispensable. In fact, at some point, Tesla staff were advised to avoid walking past Musk or even crossing paths with him, because when you do and he asks you what you do in the company, the wrong answer gets you fired. According to the Bloomberg magazine released in January 2019, Tesla laid off more than 3,000 workers before the pandemic, which shocked many of the company's competitors in the automobile industry. Defending the decisions, Elon Musk explained that the workers were sacked to allow the company to become what it should be, which is a company that operates at the extreme frontiers of technology. In March 2019, many reports were making the rounds after Tesla dismissed a third of the global scouting and recruiting team, which was about 150 people. Many reports speculated that the Tesla CEO was mainly concerned with Tesla's progress rather than his employees' happiness. However, Musk's decisions paid dividends because in January 2021, Tesla achieved its first profitable year. The company made a profit of $721 million in 2020, comfortably beating $862 million loss the company had in 2019. So from what we have learned, Elon Musk is not as trigger-happy as reports would make you believe. In fact, Musk is only concerned with building a high-performance company regardless of employee happiness. As noble as this sounds, Elon Musk is not without his faults. The mere fact that people believe Musk fires employees every day shows Musk has some flaws. For example, a book was published in 2021 focusing on Tesla and its management under Elon Musk titled Power Play, Tesla, Elon Musk, and the Bet of the Century. The book revealed many in-depth insights into why some employees were fired. Over the years, Elon Musk has consistently denied allegations that he had a habit of ruthlessly rage-firing people. The book revealed that Musk was often seen arguing with top executives at Tesla and SpaceX factories. And not just top executives. The book described many instances of employees being fired on the spot for disagreeing with Elon Musk. For example, Musk fired a Tesla paint shop manager because he told Musk his production goals were unrealistic. Another instance worth mentioning was when Kate Pearson, a Tesla executive supervising the company's delivery operation, was fired on the spot after meeting with Musk. Pearson told Musk it was impossible to hit Tesla's delivery goal of 100,000 units during the quarter. Several other cases were recorded in the book showing top executives being sacked on the spot. Interestingly, before Musk's firing rampage started in 2018, employees were usually fired through a manager or production supervision. However, this quickly changed, with Musk now visiting his gigafactories more frequently. After the book's release, Musk disputed some of the claims in the book. He stated that he only fired employees after giving them clear and frank feedback. But this is quite hard to believe, considering more recent events have shown Musk firing Twitter employees who publicly criticized him in tweets. Would you dare to work for Elon Musk? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section. Remember to give this video a thumbs up today if you liked it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you at the next one.